Mukbang. What's up, loved ones? It's your boy in the house again. I'm starving, so I'm getting right into eating. My favorite place so far, a big, bad, awesome A&W. So I got the Uncle Burger. I'll show you guys in a second. This one's slippery because I had to heat it up. So the only thing living in the country is like I gotta drive out to the city to go get food, right? Got the onion rings on deck, bomb. Oh, I got extra fries in here. Okay, I don't know. I got an extra fry somehow. So there's the fries. Get that to stay. And this, I think I had one time in my life. I'm gonna give it a try again. It looks bomb. The chicken strips. All right. So, and I have my dipping sauce. Thanks, man. Oh, you want to say hi real quick?
No.
Okay, pull my door all the way in.
Yeah.
And tell them to not make noise. There's another fry here.
I'll take it.
Well, you want some of it? I don't even have a plate.
Put it in here. So keep the ones you want in there and put mine in here that you're willing to give.
Hey, you know what? Just take the whole thing.
Yeah, boy.
All right.
Bye.
See you later. Okay. I got everything but a plate. Anyway, man, how y'all doing? I'm doing pretty good. Any day away from work is good. So, you know, weekends is my time to do a little mukbangy bang bangs. So yeah, we just been running around all day. Went to Starbucks, went to Ripman's to get my daughter a black dress for her. What is it? It's a birthday party she's got to go to next week Saturday. Oh, I'll give you a story about that. That story is pretty dope. All right, so I'm gonna have a fry. A&W have the best onion rings, you guys. Trust me on that. I got sriracha sauce and honey mustard. All right, so open the honey mustard one first. That's so good. And I love sriracha, so we'll see how this goes. Definitely sriracha. And this is the Uncle Burger. And it's just patty, tomato, cheese, lettuce, mayo, and purple onions. Look at this. Oh, this is juicy and tender. This is real. That's why I love A&W. You're getting real. Look at that. Real chicken. You know? This ain't no McDonald's. So juicy. So flavorful. Let's try the sriracha. This one's more vinegary than sriracha in the bottle, but it's bomb. I should put that in a bottle. I buy it. I waited all day to eat. I think most of us mukbangers, you try to get everything done that you need to get done. And then you got to set up. You know, you don't eat until like the end, until nighttime. But even the onion rings, look, like totally seasoned. Let's tear this burger up. You guys hear any yelling, laughing noise? It's picked up my very loud, adorable little niece. She's so fun to be around. That girl is loud. Classic. A&W. Yeah. Oh, so let's get into this burger. I'm gonna put it back in the bag just so the stuff don't spill everywhere. But it's your classic A&W, no hormones. And here, hormone. And take a bite. So much distraction today. It's so busy. This burger is just bomb, just like this, but I like to top it up with sauce, but you don't need to. And since I don't have any extra sauce, I'm keeping that for my chicken. It's perfect. It's juicy. I mean, look at that. Got that bite. Yeah, so my daughter Chanel needed a black dress for our birthday party for next Saturday. So I'm tired, irritated, and hungry. I'm like, got groceries all up in the van. So we pull up in the Walmart Plaza, and there's a Rittman's right there. So I said, you know what, Nins, let's go. I call her Nins. I'm like, Nins, let's go check out that place. I get up in there. Instantly I spot 3 black dresses. They're all the same, different sizes. I'm like, there you go right there. Boom. She gets it, goes, oh, and she starts looking around for other stuff. I'm like, look, let's get that dip. It was 40% off. So the dress would have cost, with tax, probably 80. We got it for 40, 47, 50 bucks. So she's happy, and it looks good. Fits her nice. She's funny, huh? Growing up fast. Ready? I just set myself up for the perfect bite right there. First meal of the day. Look on my finger. We got some long ass fingers, the Hodge twins. Niggas got some alien fingers. Oh man. I've been so busy I totally forgot my own stuff. Shout out to me. And shout out to all of you, my subbies, for reaching past that 300 mark. I'm excited. I was thinking about buying some drink. But you know what? Because I'm new and I'm growing, I'm learning. I think from now on, every time I reach past 100 on a Saturday night, I'm just gonna go live. I'm gonna go live. We'll chat. We'll drink. Sound good? So my daughter told me tonight we were talking about food and the quality of food. And we know A&W for being hormone free, right? And it's got that nice charbroil, that flame taste, that flame grill taste. Real meat. Sorry, Maddie. But I know Madison should put a vegan spin on this like nothing. Oh, and then I'll come back to my story in a second. The vegan challenge. I think we should get that going. But for Madison and Quantre, you guys would make a perfect vegan duo, like a showdown. He just did one. He just did a vegan video. Was it yesterday? Day before yesterday? Super tired too today. I need to ask YouTube or ask any of you guys out there if you have a YouTube channel, are you having issues with your comments? That's the question I wanted to ask, and I wanted to ask for a couple of days, but I've been working. Because I'll notice, I'll go through my comments and read them, and then a day or two later, I won't get no notifications or nothing. I'll just be scrolling through whatever, and then I'll see 3 or 4 comments that will just be like, comments was left 2 weeks ago. I'm like, what? And I reply back to all of them, but I'm just like, why am I only getting it now? So I don't know if that's like something going on there with YouTube. But if anybody else is having that issue or had that issue, let me know in the comments below. Like, because I don't want nobody to think like I'm not hitting them up, because that's not how I am. Chicken strips are bomb, bro. If Madison can make a chicken strip like this, I'll go vegan just like that. Just gotta let me know. There's some good expensive brands like I buy for my daughter because she's vegetarian, right? And there's this one, it's like a teriyaki chicken. Look like chicken nuggets from Wendy's, but they're glazed with that like honey, teriyaki honey, whatever. Man, that over white rice is bomb. They're really good. That's the thing that sucks. If you don't eat right away, you're anticipating your stomach shrinks. I got my burger down. I got my onion rings down. Only had a little bit of fries. Got one more chicken strip. And then I'm done for the night. We really have nothing too exciting to really chat about tonight. I want to sit down. Probably gonna pass out. Tired. The best chicken strips I've ever had in my life. These are even better than the Jane's. You know, the one that comes in a box that says Jane's chicken strips? They're better than those. Last bite, folks. Bomb ass chicken tenders. Mmm. Mmm. Let me show you one thing before I go, yeah. Pick this up. Crush it. Excellent read. I recommend it. I'm not done with it, but so far I started, I'm hooked, but I have to be laying down comfortable, focused on reading so I can get through this book, but definitely a good read. And there's other books that I'm going to have coming shortly after this too, but I just want to get one at a time. That way I don't get excited and try to read a whole bunch. I'm just going to focus on this and read it, but it's basically by Gary Vaynerchuk, and it's why now is the time to crush it, cash in on your passions, right? So I got into the second chapter and it's an excellent read, so very motivated. I recommend you guys go out and get it. Also check out Video Influencers on YouTube, and I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be addicted to it. So many stuff on there. If you what do you want to learn from, like equipment, they do tech reviews and all that good stuff, right? Breakdown, you know, how to run a YouTube channel, all that good stuff. So that's it for now, folks. But anyway, just want to thank all my new subbies. We made it past 300 subs, and I'm excited. So I'm celebrating inside. I don't have anything to drink, but in due time, we can do a live stream, and then you know, we'll all have some drinks and chop it up. You know, if you like this video, hit it up with the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And let's chat. Hit me up in the comment box. I respond to everybody. I love all the comments. All right. So, whew, I feel good. All right. Y'all have a good one.